Hi, it's Deciphering AI, and just to warn you, sometimes I stutter, like you've just heard, but I wanted to show you a couple of scientific studies about especially GPT-4. So this is the first one, evaluating large language models on a highly specialized topic, radiation oncology physics. So it's about GPT-4 and maybe also GPT-3. Let's look at the results. Yes, it is. It compared GPT 3.5, which is the normal version of ChatGPT, and GPT-4, and then also LaMDA, in the sense of BART, which is the chatbot of Google. And then it was also compared with medical physicists, human ones, and non-experts. And here is for all questions. So the non-expert had an average score of 28, and Google's BART was about at the same level, so not very good. And then ChatGPT 3.5 had about 53% correct, so it is already superior to the other two, but it is not as good as the human experts, because they were at 68% correct. But then there is GPT-4, that's the orange one, and it's 75% correct. So it's superior to even the expert humans. So that was the first study. Then I have another one, and it's in plastic surgery, an exam, and it's also 4 and 3.5, I guess. Yes, it's 3.5 and 4. And here are the percentiles. And for GPT 3.5, it's like the 3rd and the 8th percentile. So which is very subpar, obviously. And then GPT-4. For GPT-4, it is the 97th and the 88th percentile in 2021 and 2022. So it is clearly way above average, especially compared to GPT 3.5. And yeah, the difference is pretty extreme. And then there's another study, and it's engineering exams, and it is GPT-4 and Google's BART, and no ChatGPT 3.5, I guess. Yes, it's only BART and GPT-4. And as you can see, both of them are, well, not exactly similar, but BART is also not, it's worse, but it's not completely, that does not completely suck. But GPT-4 is definitely superior compared to BART. And then the last study, it's a pretty famous one. It's the technical report of the GPT-4, and it also uses percentiles. And as you can see, for example, the bar exam is like in the 90th percentile, whereas GPT 3.5 is at the 10th percentile. So again, GPT-4 is way superior. Also, and at the LSAT, I think it's a law school admission test, and here also it's 3.5 is at the 40th percentile, and GPT-4 is at the 88th percentile. And then also SAT and theory, again, kind of like 90th percentile, and GPT 3.5 is also quite okay, but not as good. So yeah, that is it. I just wanted to show you those studies.